This TikTok account just pulled over 300 million views in the last 30 days, all by posting abandoned theme videos. Their most viral video hit nearly 145 million views. Another one crossed 65 million views. Now, here's the crazy part. Even if we assume a low 50 cents per RPM, that's over $70,000 made from a single AI-generated video. And realistically, that video probably took less than 30 minutes to create. Yeah. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to create these types of videos and start your own YouTube automation channel today. I'll break down the same blueprint this creator is using and show you how to recreate it using AI. Fast, simple, and scalable. You don't need experience. You don't need a college degree. You don't need fancy editing skills. I'll walk you through everything, step by step, from start to finish. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, repeatable system you can use to start posting these videos yourself. But before we jump into the tutorial, let me quickly show you a sample video I created using the exact tool I'm about to share with you. I created the sample video in under 20 minutes using a few AI tools. And yes, they're absolutely free. Now let me walk you through the exact step-by-step process. Step 1. ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT. On the left side, click Explore ChatGPT. Then click on Search and type abandoned movie scenes. You'll see different character ideas related to abandoned movie scenes. From here, you need to select one character. For this example, I'm choosing Iron Man. Most people are already making these kinds of videos, so instead of copying exactly, we'll do something slightly different. Now, click Start Chat. After that, simply type Iron Man, or you can be more specific, like Iron Man with suit. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt. You just need to copy that prompt. Now, let's move to the next step, image generation. For this, we'll use an AI tool called OpenArt AI. Log into OpenArt, and once you're inside, you'll see the dashboard. When you sign up, you'll get free credits. Click on image generation. On the left side, select the model. Make sure you choose Nano Banana Pro. Now paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Below that, you can select the image size. You can also choose how many images you want to generate. If you're using free credits, you'll be able to generate one image at a time. If you want more images, you can upgrade to their premium plan. It's pretty affordable. But for now, I'll go with free version. Click create, wait a few seconds, and your image will be ready. Once it's done, simply download the image. Now, let's move to the next step, animation. Most of these abandoned theme videos include animated movement. To create that, we'll use another AI tool called Kling AI. Log into Kling AI and click on video generation. On the left side, upload the image you just downloaded. Below that, paste the same prompt. Now click generate. After a short wait, your animated video will be ready. Then download the video. Now repeat this exact same process for every prompt. Copy the prompt. Then use OpenArt for generate images for different angles. Then animate the image using Kling AI. With this process, I make this another video. Do this 3 to 4 times so you can create clips from different angles and make your video more engaging. Now, let's move to the next step. That is the voiceover. Most of these videos don't use voiceovers, but if you want to upload this content to YouTube, you must add a voiceover. Otherwise, during monetization, YouTube may reject your channel because the content is fully AI generated. So in the first 5 to 10 seconds, add a short voiceover. And for the voiceover, you can use 11 Labs. The script doesn't need to be complicated. For example, since this is an abandoned Iron Man video, you can say something like, "Look what I just found. All of Iron Man suits, abandoned and left unused." That's enough. This is mainly for monetization purposes. After generating the voiceover, move to the final step, that is the editing. You don't need expensive software like After Effects or Premiere Pro for this. You can easily edit everything using CapCut. But for now, I'm using a different app for editing. You can use any editing app you like, CapCut or whatever works for you. First, import all the video clips we generated from Kling AI. Then, add your voiceover right at the start of the video. After that, add the fade effect between the clips to keep things intense and engaging. And that's it. Your video is ready to upload. So yeah, that's today's video. And if you want to learn how you can copy a YouTube automation channel and actually make money, click on this video right here.